Alright, the Zippo truck stopped by once again. Let's see what he dropped at my doorstep today. And as usual, it came in the normal black box out of Bradford, PA, made in the USA. And the label on this one says Gentleman's Bet. Nothing special about the box or the insert, except it was made in the USA, of course. And this one is on like a candy apple red colored case, and it was made in, looks like J of 14. It's on a steel case with a steel insert. Fires up nice, and it looks a lot to me like a poker chip. Zippo logo on the poker chip since 1932. It's got a really good sound, and this is going to go into my the red section of my collection. I have quite a few red ones. And here's a couple of the red ones, and they definitely deserve cowbell. Knuckle bump.